Feeling backwards. Huh?
You're travelling backwards.
Is that why I'm going backwards?
Yes, you're in a seat behind the engine, pressing away from it. Oh, shut up. I'm 14, I don't need this.
I'll tell you what I need. A week.
Oh, I don't want to know.
What might be keeping there? Everybody's wearing it if you let them come back. I'm just making it feel like we're going faster. Oh, excuse me. Police. Police there. Huh?
Hi.
You ever seen a pigeon go?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great to be cooking now, though,
Probably should have stuck to this side, the other side.
Go on, mate.
Never mind. Come on.
I'm only kidding. I'm going to pull him up. Nah. Ever.
Oh, shut up. I'm trying to record the journey.
What?
I'm trying to record the whole thing.
Oh, no, I didn't know that, did I?
I know you do. Hello.
Excuse me. That's where the old pit used to be.
The old what's it like?
Yes.
And then we are along the seafront. Funny, I've only been recording about 4 minutes.
I'm going to walk up there.
That is a beautiful view. Just got ruined by a bridge.
But along them cliffs over there, where Blue Dolphin is.
Yeah, it's tiny.
It is a station, but it's a passing loop. There's going to be another train coming through because 2 tracks. You know that other one we saw going away? That's probably on its way back, and yeah, it's on its way coming down. Yeah, there's an engine coming down on that my side. You might want to put your heads in. Right, it's probably moving.
It's hot on today. Look at that sky. It's beautiful. No, I've got to pick it up, didn't I?
How to make people go deaf.
They're buying out else.
Right, on our way again. Told you it was a passing loop. Right, let's get a nice shot of the beach again. Reminds me of a little western.
Don't ever remember coming here. All the
No, not this way. It's the way I know. You know, the town centre and stuff.
Oh, this is the last stop. Turntable ahead. Can we, you know, so I want to try and get
off now.
Huh?
Are we alarmed off now?
Should be. Train stopped.
Yeah, I think so.
Come on, babe.
It's on that, isn't it?
Here it's my turn. I'll get him.
You want having?
They are waiting them to.
You having one of these?
No.
Oh,
No, they're for winter then.
Shut up. Travis Kessler having an ice cream. The plates changed automatically. I think the spring points might change on their own. It's like pushed by the engine. Where are you gonna stop? You're still bloody going. Oh, no, he stopped. Probably can't. I don't know if you. Never mind. Right. Ah, he's backing up. I just had music in the background for this entire thing. I don't know what. Probably different themes. You meant to be having a watchful eye on the rails and stuff. Not your ice cream. I'm just reversing your train. Oh, engine, whatever. Yeah.
Okay. Thing to remember, don't fall down the hill.
Don't fall down the hole, Harry.
Just one at a time. Oh, careful.
Harry did that.
When did he do it?
Just about 10 seconds ago.
Was I? Fall down the hill.
Sit there then. Hey. I told him to drive that engine.
Click on